Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome to another new vlog. So, today I am visiting Oehala waterfall, Oehala or Terjun Oehala. So, it's first time, so I am visiting here. I heard a lot about this place, so I choose to visit and see by my own eyes how beautiful it is and explore for you guys also. So stay tuned, be with me, and we will explore this place and let you know and share what we have here. Okay, guys, let's go. Uh, as far as I know, the waterfall is in the bottom, so I am going to down to see the place. But there they sell the fruits also, so it will be the fresh fruit if you wanna have, but not too much, but a little bit. And as far as you see, sorry if the camera is shaking because I am using the hand cam like my iPhone, not the officially like the vloggers use the vlogging things. But yeah, we will do, and I have to be careful also because it's wet and sleepy. I'm worried to fall down. As far as you guys hear the sound of nature, it's quite amazing. Like you can hear the voice of water in here behind me, all the trees. And yeah, let's go down. So I have to be careful. If I fall down here, then I'm done. So I cannot make any video for you guys. So better I should be careful. Okay, because so this is the way. Like you have to come and go into the waterfall. Still there's a lot of stress, so I will keep updating. Just wow, just wow. See how clean the water is, and it's still going down. And yeah, so far it's come from the top. So, there is a place like if you wanna sit here and enjoy the weather. Let's go down and explore it. Wow! Just look at that. It's still here on the top. So I have to go bottom here so that I can show you exactly what I see now. Wow. Okay guys, already reached the place I want, but if you wanna go downstairs, it's still there will be a lot of place. But as far as you saw, all the trees and the jungle. Wow. Look at the beauty, guys. It's the weather, so there will be a lot of local people also. Okay guys, finally I reached the place, and beside me you can see the waterfall, and yeah, that's absolutely perfect and awesome. But I want to go in water, so I want to enjoy while I'm here. Okay guys, it's time to go back and The difficult part is when you wanna go up. When you down is easy, but when you go up, quite difficult. That's why I'm so tired now, because it's like you have to reach the mountain, and yeah, but enjoyable and awesome, even difficult to go up, like growing on YouTube or social media. It's also same like that, so have to push yourself to reach that place. Okay guys, be with me. That's today's vlog. See you in the next one.